Yeah, what? 2022 is a wrap. What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Like I said, yo, 2022, it's a wrap. We're here now. Yo, happy New Year's to all my supporters, man. 2023, here we come. First and foremost, I would like to say that I truly appreciate y'all for supporting your boy. You know what I'm saying? The year, man. Yo, the year had its ups and downs, with just life in general, per se. You know what I'm saying? Like, went through a lot this year, you know what I'm saying? But the brands are still here, man. We're still pushing, you know what I'm saying? We still rocking, baby. Before I get too deep into this, this last final video of the year, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing in 2023. All right, so check this out. Shout out to, everybody I did business with this year. Shout out to Kettle One, man. Shout out to Independent. Shout out to Original Flavor. Shout out to As Color. Shout out to FM. Shout out to Silver Mountain. Shout out to Super Color. Shout out to Pro World. Shout out to if I'm forgetting y'all right now, man, I'm sorry. It's so many individuals. Shout out to all my manufacturers overseas. I know y'all been going through it this year as well. Shout out to everybody I did business with in state. Shout out to all my Patreon people. If y'all ain't signed up for my Patreon, make sure y'all do that. All right, we gonna keep it rocking. So yeah, man, I'm truly pleased with everything that transpired this year, pertaining to the brand, pertaining to my business, and I got more things coming. I'm starting another brand. Well, I've already started it, and y'all gonna see a lot of that in 2023. It's nothing to me right now to drop the name, so I can do that because you can't take it from me because I'm the originator of it. All right, the new brand is called Restricted. All right, so Restricted stands for, keep me away from all the bullshit. I'm restricted from all bullshit. All right, y'all know I always say the message is always in the cloth. So I wanted to come with that Restricted. All right, so when y'all see that Restricted, just know that that's me. That's us, baby. Me, you, us. The flavor. All right, so be on the lookout for more designs with that Restricted logo. I'm gonna flip it though, y'all. I'm gonna do like a lot of in-house embroidery this time around. All right, so y'all gonna see a lot of new embroidery designs coming from your boy. All right, I'm in the process of copying an embroidery machine, so we just gonna get it popping, man. I hope y'all working. Y'all know I always say this shit. I hope you working hard on your brands, man. Don't give up. If you got an idea, go for it. And on a business aspect, hopefully you handle your business the way you're supposed to be handling it as well. All right, make sure you locked in with the federal government. Make sure you locked in with all the tax exemptions. I'm getting all my tax, shit together as we speak. So, yeah, man, don't sell yourself short. Make sure you keeping track, keeping record of everything. Make sure you got a good accountant, and take it from there. All right, yeah, man. 2022, man, was tough. It was a tough year for me personally. Family wise, like a lot. dealt with like a lot of death, a lot of loss, and but you know, we holding on, just like y'all doing out there, man. You know, you take everything, you know, day by day. We gonna get through that joint and keep this thing going and moving. All right. Yeah. So yeah, just, you know, rock with your boy. Keep checking in. You know, our manufacturers dealt with a lot, man. Especially China, man. It was crazy. You know, but you know, cut them some slack too. They dealing with things just like we dealing with over here, you know, on the mainland. So I'm gonna start doing more business with them as well as soon as everything clears up with their country. All right. Yo, peep my hat, yo. I see this new. If you feeling this hat, you can pick this up on the website. It's on the site right now for $12. This is my new duck camel trucker hat. All right. Got the leather patch on the front. Nice quality, comfortable trucker hat. I'm feeling it. I got the duck camel independent hoodie on right now with the leather patch on the left chest piece. This is a 101 though. I ain't gonna be selling this on the website. I don't really like the concept of this colorway per se, because it's like, you know, other brands have used it. Well, I take that back. I wouldn't say other brands have used it. I've seen it around blank though. So instead of me throwing like my own like logo on it, it wouldn't feel right with me, because, you know, it just wouldn't feel right with me. Like this particular style of blank got to be like just like a one of one. It wouldn't feel right putting it into, you know, mass production with, you know, my logo on it. It's not original enough for me. You feel me? Y'all know what I mean. It's not original enough for me. If you throw one logo on it, it's gonna look the same as, you know, anybody else that throw their shit on it. But shout out to Independent though. This is an independent blank. If you got an account with Independent, I'm saying go over there and, you know, if you like it, you know, do what I'm saying, you cop it. Do what you want to do with the blank. All right. But as usual, be on the lookout for more DCYLP. Be on the lookout for more Me Frosty. Be on the lookout for more We Major. Be on the lookout for more Unfamous, and now the newly Restricted. All right. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, I truly appreciate y'all. I'm almost at 4,000 of y'all real true supporters, so hopefully we can crack that 4,000 mark soon. I've been kind of slacking on, you know, video production, but like I said, you know, life, man, life and priorities come first, and then, you know, everything else matters after that. So like I said in the beginning, make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification. If you want to cop anything from the boy, hit that link down below right there. You see it? Yeah, it's right there. If you're new to the channel, I salute you. I appreciate you. Make sure you keep checking your boy. If you go on my Patreon, you're gonna see an option where you can subscribe to my Patreon, and you will get more than the actual subscriber gets, as far as content, one-on-ones, help with designing your garments, you know, help with manufacturers and so on and so forth. So y'all might want to go over there and check that out. Trust me, it's worth it. You know, your boy knowledgeable in a whole bunch of areas. All right, so Let's get it, man. 2023, we here, baby. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.